Okay, we've let the sticks set up some, so we're going to drill our hole for our string. It's right there in the middle where we want it. So we're in good shape with that. I'll just bore it out a little bit more so our string doesn't catch on the sides or anything. Then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. We're in good shape here with that, and now we'll just sand it a little bit and then we'll be ready to move on. Thanks for watching.